Exhaust. This is the interior of Lamborghini. Closely. See Dubai ki luxury cars. Kamaina tau ge diyen se. Welcome to Warshii Sharif channel. So I'm here Sanam Cars. I have an appointment. Already talked with David sir. So let's go inside. अंदर जाके देखते हैं मनूं चंगला से. अदो सर का वही शानदार का म्याम दा ये मनूं कार की details ना चिंबा. अमसों कार की मातांग दा ये म्याम दा हाइजर रख लगे. So yeah, I'm getting inside से मनूं ने. David sir later. Hi, good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm good, sir. I'm good, sir. I'm good. How are you, sir? So yeah, yesterday we talked about this. I will make videos and all.
Yeah.
So I want to know something. How many cars collection approximately? Can you tell me?
Okay, we have about 80 cars in the showroom.
Okay.
But we have 140 cars available.
Oh my
They're
God.
all online at sanamcars.com.
Okay,
You
I will.
You can see them all. You can see the prices, and each car has 20 photos online, so you can see everything you need to know. Okay.
Yeah. So can I explore and
Have a look through. Don't touch the cars,
Okay.
and that'll be fine. Thank
Okay,
you.
I got a permission to make videos and all. So मैं हमदा ऊँचा रख लगे. So I भी रख ले माना sanamcars.com ने ना सिर्फ ले बनी है. Mention जो तो उधर के मैं हम चंगो and check it out. The Sanam Cars. If you come to Dubai and if you want to buy cars, then you have to come Sanam Cars. So you will get a luxurious car here, no doubt. So ये English है मतंग मतंग मैं हमदा ऊँचा रख लगे. So this is the thing. So actually I'm in luxury cars. I'm new in this line, but I know the logos and all. Means I know the brands, but I don't know the models. If you know the models, please let comment down below, because I know this is Lamborghini and this backside is Urus, Lamborghini Urus and all, but I don't know the model which Lamborghini is this. So if you know, please comment down below. And yeah, so this helpful to me also. If I go next time, then I will explain you very easily, but I will show you, no problem. Oh, which available and all. So me am adum yang min na si adu ka si alloy sing je mamal sing si di ai hangdre at least alloy sing si di yang alloy je or manjuri ki alloy lai re ate to pa alloy sing lai re yang si ba Rolls Royce ki lai re. Ura top class hand. Only Dubai में मिलेगा ऐसा facility. Even speaker are Yamaha speaker. So yeah. Zoom basi yeng se ado video se share do si myam da ai myam da dom upload uchar ke manung gi atai atop na chingba adom car gi details mathang picture ke. So yam nongai si da lak ba se charge to ri ne Ferrari. This is electric cars ne. Manung so may like reba. I will show you one by one, no problem. This is a Lamborghini. So comment down which cars you want and which is your dream car. Dream car se karam bano me comment down tom beromo comment down. And yeah, I love this car. I love this color, and I love this is Porsche, but the color, this combination is very attractive. I love this color. This one is also fine, but this one and this Manzuri color, yellow and black and yellow, you know. So like, yeah, I love this type of color. Oh my God, this is Ferrari interior. You can see. I can't touch. If I touch, that beep started, so I can't touch. You can see only closely. I can show you closely the engine and all. See, this two-seater Ferrari, and there are two models in Lamborghini also. That side is with roof, and this is adjustable roof, you know, so we can remove out, we can keep out like this. And this is the interior of Lamborghini. See ako buttons na ching balay re tuga moi si puro carbon fiber na kay tawraga tawbani sina seat lay re ko you can see. And this details is amazing, huh? But I don't know this thing. I don't know the models. Which Lamborghini model is this? Can you please comment down below? See, oh my god. Keep supporting, keep loving. Then kaiguma miyamna support tawrakpa tarabadi one day aisu leiba fangadrana at least sida hoi rent di yai ko ado khwai lu base sida driving license tan basini sije pura exam ama tharaga dubai gi rule si am sathi aide driving license low ba haise sida mo koi gi school na chingba training na chingba changlaga adugum badu tawraga driving license fangadamne easy natte ko driving license sida ga low ba haise adu bo hoi visitor gi di fangani adu visit la pan hoi myam gi di yamna easy oina adum fangani city rent natte ko this is only for buy and sell ngaktani adu iso hoi opportunity pi yeng ba gi Lamborghini gi oh khange I know lok yam chang la ni lok se yam chang la ni adu iso ai myam de yeng han ning ba gi ai ko okay this is the model I think Avente Zorim Avente Dori hai ne Avente Dori hai Aventador Aventador Lamborghini Aventador hai okay I khang de ko I don't know about models and all if you know please comment down below and don't make me joke because I'm new here day by day I will learn I will show you about luxury cars luxury lifestyle luxury flat and everything I do real estate also so I will show you luxury lifestyle I will show you I adum myamda Dubai gi luxury lifestyle gi matang da adum utnaba hotnajarake yengna se video se like comment share tawjilo okay guys yam nungaire video se sumai adum sem lage yamna kai tawroi ge miyengse this is Ferrari and I'm here okay amazing gari sing so over ne breakfast pau taw ning de ta sing ai breakfast taw pat na tree I want ta laga kai taw ne Ferrari okay engine on exhaust take you can see exhaust and all this Mercedes AMG good side the front can see Rolls-Royce alloy by the way it's out of fit GT Lamborghini Ferrari देखो से देख सकते हो गाइस Lamborghini या Lamborghini Urus same color or this Lamborghini Camry Lamborghini which brand model I don't know I have to search this is the interior of Lamborghini actually I'm new in this field Lamborghini and cars luxury cars so I don't know the I think Hurricane this Lamborghini Hurricane let's see why it's road I don't know लिखा किधर है? Okay, this is Lamborghini carbon ceramic. No, this is not model. Smooth कितना है? This is so smooth and all, no? बहुत स्मूथ है और ये इंटीरियर है. दिस द इंटीरियर ऑफ रोल्स रॉयस. आई डोंट नो which model. I have to learn by day, but yeah, I know the brands. That's it, but I don't know the model. So if you know the model, please comment down below. And this Porsche, I know the this thing, brands only, car brands until now, but I don't know the model. If you know the model, please comment down below. So I will show you. So ay ma'am da uchar ke manungi si down thari down Rolls Royce down nai down 4-seater roof yaw da vida lei bade. So yeah, ये है गाइस. अगर हो सके तो मैं आपको और वहाँ पे मैक्लेरेन started. McLaren का इंजन देखो गाइस. I'll show you McLaren. McLaren engine is amazing. Exhaust. भाई साहब, this is amazing, huh? Car war. This is McLaren, I think. Yeah, this is McLaren. See how ma'am engine do exhaust do taure so na Porsche lai re ai bide ayukta moi engine loin start tauraga thambane bade ayukta ai bide gai se loina ma kai gumba thawada de sumai na khangbani moina ngonda tips ama pi bane ai bide kai gumba gari se lai bata de any gari go any gari. If you have gari car, then you have to, before going or somewhere, you have to start engine, keep 2-3 minutes because it's a warm up like this. So if you go gym or something, gym gai gumma chatpa matam da warm up tawai do adumai na gari da so warm up tawan ga mi engine je start tawraga kai taw ga dabne sumaina khara warm up tawraga use taw ga dam adi long lasting oi hai chumbra chumdabra. Please comment down below. This is true or not. Before going somewhere, you have to keep start engine for 2-3 minutes, then we'll go. This is a warm up. So cars engine will be long lasting. So ये है यार. यहाँ पे रोल्स रॉयस के है. सो आपको बेस्ट कार कौन सी है बताओ, मैं उसके हिसाब से मैं आपको पूरा डिटेल्स दिखाऊंगा. ये पोर्ची है, सिर्फ पोर्ची नहीं हो, बेंटली ले रहे इस बेंटली. लेकिन अभी तक का इंजन इसका मैक्लेरेन का इंजन ख़तरनाक लगा यार. एक मैक्लेरेन ज़बरदस्त है. 750S. So yes, this is the thing. I will show you the one by one. Yeah, 14911. Yeah, I know this model. 14911. This one is started with this one. So if I had chance, McLaren की करी से door से सुमाइना open तब है. Lift up 911 ने Porsche 911. Rolls Royce Kalina di natte si Kalina ra si moi model sing the ai bi khangjin ga dam ne adu ai di khangjin de ra yamna ai bi tamli ai so luxury cars ki. I don't know. I know the brands like this, you know. Rolls Royce, Ferrari, Porsche and all. This is Manzori because I can, but I don't know the models of the cars. This is Manzori. So please comment down below if you know the models and all. And this is a big daddy's car, like big daddy's car, heavy car, like what we'll say. जो होते हैं ना बड़े बड़े, बेंटली हो गया, मंजूरी हो गया, ये स्पोर्ट्स कार नहीं है, मतलब ये स्पोर्ट्स वाले नहीं है, ये लग्जरी कार, मतलब बिग डैडी बोलते हैं ना वैसा कार है ये एरिया, और बड़े बड़े हाइट्स वाले एक्सयूवी बोलते हैं ना, क्या बोलते हैं ऐसी एक्सयूवी साइज, वो है. Just the area, I'll show you one by one. I know this vlog will be long, but please enjoy my video. Just please enjoy my vlog. See, my god, ये तो डबल एक्सएल साइज है सब, हर ब्रांच में. ये देखो गाइस, रोल्स रॉयस का लोगो कैसा है, मॉडिफाइड क्रिस्टल क्लियर वाला लोगो है यहाँ से. ओके, दिस इज मर्सिडीज, व्हाट क्या बोलते हैं गाइस, अरे यार इसको क्या बोलते हैं बताओ यार, भूल गया, लंबी कार को क्या बोल, लिमोजिन, सॉरी, मर्सिडीज लिमोजिन ने से मैवेक, बेंटली ले रहे, रोल्स रॉयस ने. कमेंट डाउन बिलो with this thing models. I don't know the models, I know the this thing only. Rolls Royce, these all are Rolls Royce, I think. Mavic out there इस तरफ है, और ये भी मैं, ये भी मंजूरी है. मंजूरी भी खतरनाक है, लुक अलग ही देता है मंजूरी भी. मंजूरी की लिखिसो पूरा मऊंगा माने, at least ऊबरी फंजर है, यानी सबसे ऊबरी फंजर है. ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ, ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ, ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯔꯁꯣꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ I like Lamborghini, like that, or enjoyment haitare. But in future kaigumba aina ngamba tarade family gi oina di ai sugumba gari sing je pame, se family gari ngakkan G wagon chu leire, G wagon che ai myam da ucharake, si sing je family gari haitare ko. Defender leire, Defender Land Rover se pura unique color ne, G wagon leire, si si am project family ngakkan haitare ko. Sugumba se in future kaigumba family leiba taradi family ga enjoy tawda chatpada nungai ga dawa gari ngakkan song sai che da leire haibadi youngster ai khoi na thoga da gari sing de song da leire ti area ti na jingba sugumba sing ne ba thawda ko sugumba Mercedes AMG hai ko Porsche leire no the so sai E3 sugumbasinga thawuraga naiba nungai. So welcome to Dubai guys. Only in Dubai you can see like this luxurious car and all. To mafam da uba phangoi, yam tang na uba phangani haibadi atopa mafam da leirasu easily oina uba phangadoi se koi Dubai na kwai best option la na khalle, atopa atai atopa country da gi de some luxury cars, at least even I can touch to bi ai man da yin bi ai logo loi na yin bi ai sugumba opportunity phangado ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯆ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯁꯦ ꯇꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯄꯣꯔꯆꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯗꯨꯕꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯂꯛꯖꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯏꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯎꯕꯒꯤꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯝ बोलते हैं ना एक ऑप्शन सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन तो दुबई में ही है मेरे ही फिलहाल से कि लग्जरी लाइफ स्टाइल हो या देखने का हो एटलीस्ट दूसरा जगह पे जाओगे तो इतना नहीं मिलेगा आई थिंक आई होप लाइक दूसरा कंट्री में भी जाओ लंदन में भी जाओ एक स्पेसिफिक जगह है वहाँ पे ही मिलेगा लेकिन दुबई में क्या है कहीं पे भी जाओ आप इजीली जो देखना चाहते हो एटलीस्ट खरीदने की बात अलग है लेकिन जो देखने का मन करता है इफ़ यू वांट टू वॉच इफ़ यू वांट टू सी clearly like this see so you have a best option in Dubai only I think this is the best option so if you come Dubai then you will get easily and you can find any cars luxury cars like this so yeah ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯗꯨꯕꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯂꯛꯖꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯁ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯂꯛꯖꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯏꯜ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯂꯛꯖꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯏꯜ ꯍꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯗꯨꯕꯥꯏꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥ इंजन स्टार्ट हो चुका है GT नहीं GT रोल्स रॉयस की नी सी अमा लेग्रदे यारे खुद सिदा सोय पाइग्रदे सी रोल्स रॉयस की ngatan रोल्स रॉयस की नेसिना and this is Lamborghini which carbon sir no this is not model I think this is not model I don't know why it what's model and all so I can explain you which model is this but yeah there is 2-3 colors are there and this is the interior of Lamborghini और ये साइड में भी इसी मनिंग इसी आऊँ इंजन ना चिंबल हुई ना ऊपर से so मैम आई ब्लॉग से हिंदी इंग्लिश मणिपुरी na tawraga sidi urus ne khange Lamborghini urus ne I know this is Lamborghini urus because it's road out there and back side also so I know this is Lamborghini urus yeah see this is Lamborghini urus this is also Lamborghini urus Lamborghini Aventador
Roadster.
a roadster oh thank you
And if you look at the 63,
okay
have a look at the build number.
okay like that
Yeah.
63 and this build number this side oh
It's one of 63 cars in the world.
oh my god ma'am see 63 I be only 63 cars muktane pa world lo same ji 63 suva number do ne base oh my god this is the number of car Aventador okay si jo Aventador ka we de khang ye si ong lom lak la de lom khang kan and okay yeah what Charga 911 Charga okay 4S
Ferrari has it on the dashboard.
okay dashboard
88 GTB.
okay dashboard ta iba sigi model singina 48 GTV hairiko dashboard ta i ai mai tongana I oh sorry ubu fangdre so mena okay sir will show you okay AMG and GT black series okay
Only
like
270 cars in the world.
oh my god only 270
What car is that?
okay this is GT right no GT3 right
We're learning.
Yes, I'm learning. GT2 RS, yeah, like that.
This is rare.
Yeah,
Wizards.
Wishes RS.
So this is the tunes and suspension and handling package.
Okay, like that. Thank you, sir, for teaching me knowledge, giving knowledge about this.
Lamborghini Urus.
Urus, yeah.
Okay.
This is Manzuri, yeah.
Venatus Evo.
Oh, Venatus Evo, okay.
Okay, I show you something here.
Venatus Evo.
820 horsepower.
Oh my god, 820 horsepower.
You see
Manzuri
the-
free.
You see all the
P8.
exhaust and all the carbon fiber?
Oh, carbon
This
fiber.
is
Not
expensive.
This is expensive. So, can you tell me the amount? I didn't tell.
1.65 million.
1.
This one is 2020 model.
2020 model. 1 point.
65 million.
1.65 million
Yeah.
dirham, not in INR. Okay, this is dirham. And that Aventure, that Lamborghini Aventure price.
Is
Tell me. This is amazing.
because the orange one only came.
This is the website actually, sanamcars.com. So if you check it out, you will get every whatever available. You will get with
Yeah.
details and everything. So please check it out.
Lamborghini, you push search.
Every.
We have 17 Lamborghinis.
Okay, so like this you will get.
Urus Performante. This is a normal one.
Okay, okay, got it. Oh my god, I thought.
See, the gold one,
Uh-huh.
2,150,000.
Oh my god.
The orange one
So
is,
everything you will get it here
Yeah.
with price and all. So
see,
yeah.
4,500,000.
Oh my god, this is 63 number where
Yeah,
I show
yeah,
you
yeah.
that side, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So yeah, like this, ma'am, so many in bio sanamcars.com. So you will get each and every details.
Yeah, I don't. The orange Aventador Roadster I don't have, but it's going to be
Yes.
like 2.6, I would imagine.
Oh my god. So ma'am, so many of them checked out video. So you will get easily each and every details. But yeah, I should tell you. I know, but I'm new in this field, so I will tell you day by day. I'm learning by the way. So yeah, this is the things. Oh my god. Yeah. I'll get water bottle from Sanam Cars. They are so good.
Yes, sir.
And they are giving me these things.
Wow.
Yeah, and his dad has got a Zagato convertible.
Oh my god.
285 cars. That's him racing.
My God.
Yeah, it's
This is like £1 million+ or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And then the other pictures I have here.
Oh,
That's a super
Sir's
one,
car.
It's a BMW
Sergey car.
Z8. Very rare.
Beautiful.
In red, they only made 77 with red and black inside. So,
Wow.
and it's manual.
So what year is this?
2002. Yeah. Yeah, well,
So I got a knowledge and everything. Because if you go somewhere like thugla tare sugumase dum knowledge phangba adu surrounding ne amna puiyeba en kaigumba manipur da laijalaga kai wathi warem kari da tawni at least I don't know.
And yours? David.
So ma'am video si kam dauge like comment share subscribe tau video sugumba Dubai gi faja interesting video gi damakta Dubai luxurious cars amasung luxury property gi damakta yengnaba gi damakta follow me. I will show you Dubai luxurious cars, luxurious property and everything. I will show you day by day. So keep supporting, keep loving, and don't forget and comment which car is your dream car, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe as well. I will show you everything about Dubai luxurious thing. I will show you day by day. Day by day I will show you. So see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, love you all, bye.